Hello, today we are discussing the SAP Analytics Cloud's features and why we choose SAP Analytics Cloud for our analytics or for our management decision power. So, here are the main features of SAP Analytics Cloud. We will discuss one by one and I will explain very briefly each and every point. So, first of all, the main feature is analyze, predict and plan all in one unified user experience. It means that we can analyze, predict and plan. We can analyze, predict and plan in a single window or single platform. The next feature is connect live. We can connect live also to cloud and also on-prem data sources and break down data silos. And we can also use the import connection as well for the data which we don't need the live reporting. So moving on, the third feature is make confident decision. Obviously, if your data is aligned and if your data is cleaned and is showing well by the help of chart or by the help of any representation, you or the management can make confident decision which will benefit the business very well. So moving on, the next feature is collaborate with ease. SAP Analytics Cloud collaborate with the teams very efficiently because it gives the option of comments. You can add comments and user can add comments and user can add discussion. Also, the user can share his contents to anybody of or any member of the team, or no matter it's the user is using the desktop or the mobile. The owner of the content can share its content by using the share options. The next feature is innovate rapidly because SAP believes on the innovation. So time to time it's add many new features in its products. Same in the case of SAP Analytics Cloud. The SAP introduce new features quarterly, and the new features automatically added every quarter. For example, for now, SAP added a new feature of just ask. So and also SAP replaces the smart insight feature from the KPI. So then it's add the just ask option for the ease of user and for the ease of innovation. The next feature is scale flexibly. The SAP Analytics Cloud is support user and has enhanced capabilities without increasing IT costs. I will explain in the next slide in detail. The next point is cloud software as a service. SAP Analytics Cloud is a form of software as a service. It is the solution fully hosted and maintained by SAP. We will discuss cloud software as a service in detail in next slide. So, what is scale flexibility? Flexibility means in SAP Analytics Cloud. In the context of SAP Analytics Cloud, scaling flexibility refers to number one, handling increasing users or data volume without performance degradation. This means we can add our data volume time to time, and we can increase the number of users without compromising on the performance of our dashboard or our stories. And the next point is adapting to changing business need. For example, adding new data sources, creating more complex dashboard, or supporting more departments. It means that no matter we can make our dashboard complex if the business requirement change, if the business requirement change to the complex scenario, the SAP and its cloud can easily adapt without compromising on the performance of the dashboard. The next point is optimizing cost versus performance. Scaling up only when necessary. It's mean that SAP and its cloud only up scaling when necessary, because all the features are available. But if we want any particular optional feature, we can adopt it. But it's not necessary to adopt all the features of SAP and its cloud. Moving on, what is cloud software as a service? Software as a service is a cloud-based model where software is delivered over the internet. Instead of installing and maintaining software on your own server or computers, you access it through a web browser, and the provider handles everything behind the scene. So it's very simple and easy to understand that the software, any software has some dependencies. So when we use software as a cloud service, so all the dependencies wipe out. Mean the handling of server, the maintaining cost of server, and the accessing, the security, all the things handles behind the scene by the provider. Key features of software as a service: no installation needed, just go live via browser, subscription based pricing, monthly, yearly. This means that the payment will only be done whichever what the subscription the customer obtain or customer purchase. The next thing is automatic update and maintenance done by the provider. So any update required by the customer will be automatically enhanced or be automatically applied by the provider. Next thing is accessible from anywhere, because it's a cloud-based solution, and all the infrastructure is present on the cloud. So it is great for remote teams, because no matter your team located wherever in the world, it can easily be accessible from anywhere. It's scalable, easy to add more users or storage. Let's discuss the examples of software as a service. Number one is SAP and its cloud business. That is for its use for the purpose of business intelligence and planning. Number second is Google Workspace. Its purpose is email, document, spreadsheets. Number third is Salesforce. These all are the some example of SaaS. Salesforce is depends. It's related to the customer relationship management (CRM). And the next one is very popular, very usable nowadays, Microsoft 365. Office apps like Word, Excel, all the softwares are available online. The last but not least, Zoom. Everybody is now known very well what is a Zoom. Zoom is a cloud-based solution for the video conferencing, and it offers a variety of features.